I've dabbled in graphic design, and even though our form looks okay, I think we can make it a little more aesthetically pleasing. We can customize the colors and fonts on our Unity form in the Theme Designer. There are some pre-built themes that we can pick from, or we can create our own. To create your own theme, click the New button and then fill in the name field. Colors can be configured for each part of the form, and at the bottom of the list, you can apply different fonts. When selecting a color, you can pick from the color palette, or you can click Advanced and select a color by using RGB, HSL, or CMYK. If you know the hex code, you can enter that as well. I'm going to enter this purple color for my labels. As you change the colors, the preview will update on the right side. I have configured the rest of the theme. I'm now going to click Save, and then close out of the Theme Designer. To select a theme for your form, click Form Properties and pick a theme from the drop-down. I can apply this new theme to my current form or other Unity forms.